The FBI just released a still image of the person of interest they are looking for. And meanwhile, a massive manhunt continues all around the campus area and presumably out into the city of Orem and beyond. Okay, I'm still in the vicinity. Right here is a construction site. This construction site has a bank that I was at earlier that goes down to where the shooting happened. I just spoke to a young man who was working here yesterday. He said his colleague who was also working here, who was working the excavator right there, spoke he thinks to the gunman. He says that a young man came up here, spoke to him, asked him if it was okay to come through the construction site, and that he said sure, go ahead, and he said that there had been a shooting and he wanted to get out of there. Now obviously could have been some other passerby, but according to the young man I spoke to, this all happened long before any of the sirens happened and before they evacuated and that sort of thing. So they think it was the gunman. It also lines up with the fact that the evidence trail leads directly up into this property. So, it seems like they spoke or had contact with him. They said after the police were in this property with the dog, they went into the property next door, which, as the young man I spoke to said, there are only a couple of wooded areas around here. Over here is where apparently the shooter was. You can see a ladder leading up to the top of that building. So somewhere on the top of that building presumably is where the shooter was. Over here is the wooded area where I'm assuming they found the rifle. Until about 5 minutes ago, this was not shut off at all. This crime scene tape did not exist. I was wandering around in there. There are evidence markers on the ground. I've watched forensic officers from the FBI coming in and out of here with pieces of evidence, and I actually witnessed the trail that seemed to go up into this area, so they're only just closing it off. Media are milling about, everybody's kind of wandering around. And I guess they're gonna shut the road down now, but